Hello again, guys, and welcome back to the GPWS. If we look around, we can see that everything's in ruin. The baby Ben is now disassembled once again.
Ding, ding, a ring a ding, 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 wedding bells soon will ring a ding my way.
Well, why is it like this? Well, OK Bridges swooped in the comments section like he usually does after seeing part 10. I know there's 10 parts of this, I can't believe it myself. And he pointed out a problem. If we look at another Style 8, we can see that there's sort of a shoulder coming just from the barrel, like it's poking through the top plate. You got your screw threads, and then you got a shoulder here. And basically what the problem is with this spring barrel, in my hammering of the spring barrel, I didn't hammer it in quite enough. This end of it should be longer than it is. So I think there's more of it. Yeah, there's more of it sticking out there. And let's just see how much more is sticking out through there. Oh, not as much. Not half as much as there is here. I think you can sort of see what I'm talking about, right? I hope so. Yeah, there's the top of the barrel on each side of this. It's got that brass, I don't know what you'd call that, brass sort of thing. But anyway, you can see more is poking out of there. So this needs to be a little bit, just a bit, not too terribly, not some crazy or not too much, but just a little bit. To sort of get a better idea of what's wrong, you can see that the spring barrel, on the brass part of the barrel's gear teeth, this part here, is kind of on the bottom of that cullet there, in the center, right underneath the great wheel, which is this right here. So as you can see, it's pretty low down. It should be more in the middle of that. And there you can sort of see on this spare Style 8 movement how this is aligned. So that's kind of the goal right there, to have it more like that. So it's basically what we were doing before, really, when hammering this in. So we'll just be kind of gentle with it. It's still not... maybe it might be a little bit better now. Whoops, you can't even see what I'm doing. Might be a little bit better. I don't know, we'll hammer it in a little bit more. Nope. Okay, let's try that. See, as you can see, there's a shoulder there, no shoulder here. Yeah, so that's what we're aiming for. Oh, there's a little bit more of something there. Give it one more good tap there. And see how we're doing. Uh-oh, now it doesn't want to wind up. Explosion later has revealed to us that... still not... No, we're still not in... Still not tight enough. I can't believe that this actually doesn't want to... Seems like such a pain in the neck to do this one. Oh, here we go again. There we go. Yeah, we're still not tight enough. See, it almost seems to get stuck, sort of thing. And I need to actually film what I'm doing. It seems to sort of get stuck. And let me just give you an example of this. You hammer it in a few times. Doesn't want to move for a second. And I don't even think I showed that. See, now we don't want to move again. So what's this all about? There we go, now we're moving. Wonder what keeps happening with this. I wonder if we've almost screwed up the spring barrel beyond all help here. We're still not close to where we need to be. And the barrel seems to keep locking up, oddly enough. This thing doesn't turn quite as smooth anymore. It seems a little bit of, I don't know, slight hesitation. Like it's grinding up against something, just a little bit. And I'm wondering what, I don't know. I still don't think that's in enough. And if we compare it to here again, yeah, that's definitely not far enough in. So, I guess the only option is to keep going. And see, look, it's gonna be frozen up again. Oh, it was frozen. I seriously need to stop putting my hands in front of everything. I'm sorry, guys. Anyway, yeah, it freezes up briefly, and then that's much better right there. I think that's probably good enough. I think this will probably be what we need. I think that right there. I've actually just realized I've been incredibly stupid here, viewers. I shouldn't have had the other side of the barrel attached to this side while I was doing that. Yeah, that was goofy of me. I shouldn't have done that. Trying again here, though. Put this on. Hammer it in. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, let's try that. Okay, we hammered her a little in too far, because now it wants to come back out this side. And you can see how this is held together. Look at that. You can see there's grooves on the inside of this. Or on the, on the arbor. You can see there's grooves on there that must slide into grooves on inside this wheel here. So, okay, well now we gotta hammer her back out the other way a little bit. Okay, let's give that a try. There we go. Now we're good. I don't know, guys. I don't know what to... I think maybe we should stop for now before we just completely destroy this thing in one way or another. Yeah, after all of that hammering, it's still not really showing up that shoulder. Here's the other movement. That shoulder still really isn't there like it is on this one. You can see it there, but just not on this one. I don't know, viewers. There's gonna have to be... I don't want to, and I think I realized why it keeps getting quote-unquote stuck. It's because of those grooves in the, oh, maybe I'm accidentally pulling this thing apart here. I think it's because of those grooves that are in the, oh, see, look, this doesn't want to, come on, spring. Spring is trying to pop, or kind of come out of the barrel there almost. I don't know. My descriptive words may not be the greatest for this. I think those grooves in the arbor that hold, oh my goodness, I gotta pull this thing out now. The grooves that hold this whole pinion in here are interfering with the winding of the spring. I think that's what's going on. Oh boy, guys, I'm so sorry if you did, I don't know if it was part 5 or whatever it was, just hammering this thing apart. I don't think this is something I'm going to be hammering apart anymore. Yeah, that was kind of, well, I mean, how was I to know? But yeah, I don't think these are really meant to, I'm going to have to go back to the old argument. Well, I don't think these are really meant for this assembly. See, now this is all separated from, see, it wasn't doing that before. Oh boy. Yeah, I think we kind of botched this up a little bit, the way this is. And those are the grooves there, and this is the problem of the whole real thing, viewers, is this right here. I still can't believe this thing just pulls right on out. There's, of course, the grooves. And there might be a better look at them. This has been a very confusing video, viewers. I don't know what. I don't know. Yeah, I think we should just leave this for now, and then we'll come back to it at another point here. This has been a very confusing sort of video, viewers. I've been working on this a lot longer than I've been filming, And oh boy, what a goofy set of circumstances. That's what this is. And I know, as I said, I mentioned this. I'm sorry if you watched that other part where I just hammered this thing apart. Bad idea, guys. Or at least for now. I don't know, the research or the facts here keep rapidly changing, so I don't know, guys. Something that was valid yesterday might not be valid tomorrow or today. Anyways, viewers, yeah, we'll leave this for now, and we'll see what we can come up with in the comment section. And yeah, I thank you guys for watching, and we'll leave it there for now, and hopefully we can get this all put back together and the right way around and everything.